Something very exciting to share with you. I don't know. What do you think?
Armando.
What are you ordering? Right. Second grade. No more chanting, please. Why did you just go to lesson? I had a lesson. What does it change? Okay, Miss Sanchez?
Yes.
We're doing the board up here. We go to program. Chapter 11. Lesson 2. Yeah, and then yes. I want to go down
to keep this in case we do.
Okay. Who can tell me what we did on this page in our math books? Lionel. You have to make sure we use.
Yeah, but make sure it's not too long. It's real life. Yeah, real life.
In real life, we want to make sure that we're measuring with the right.
Make sure it's a little bit of the. But right there, there's like
this one right here?
No.
This one?
Yeah. There's like no.
These?
Yeah.
So we could measure the legs of the stadium, but we couldn't measure the stadium itself because it was too big. Yes, very good. You can measure the top?
Yeah.
That's right, very good. So when we were done discovering that page, did it look something like that?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what we discovered.
You can never measure the sun.
You can never measure the sun, that is right.
Yes,
so what else did we do on Wednesday? We did a craft with math on Wednesday. Sean.
On Wednesday we were on art, we were
That's right. We made feet.
So we did double.
So we made rulers. We made feet rulers. How many feet rulers did we make?
Rulers?
Mm-hmm.
The number of rulers we made?
How many did each person make? 2. 2. Yeah, close. We made one ruler that was like a foot ruler, and we made a foot ruler. That's right. All right. I want everybody to pull out those feet. Yes, Stephen? Green brown say?
I don't know.
In your green folders.
I can't remember.
You weren't here either. Well, let's have you guys catch up on these.
Nice. Red window.
Very good.
About 6 inches. I will measure you. No.
Okay. David?
Oh, it's a box.
No. I'm so would you help them to make their feet rulers?
Somebody missing the That's fine. I'll put it on the board.
Somebody is missing one of their feet. You want to help them? Okay, who's going to help them? All right. Show me your foot feet. That's okay. Show me your foot feet. Move it up in the air. David and Jesse, this is what you're going to be making. Amy? That's my foot. Here's a marker. And show me your measurement ruler.
This
You can't find your measurement ruler? You can't find your foot at all? Okay, go over with David and with Jesse to go make a new foot. Can anybody else find their ruler? You can't find your regular ruler? Yeah, I knew I just knew that one was. Okay. So when we're reading, when we're measuring, what should we measure with? What should we measure with? Rulers. If I want to measure something that is smaller than a foot, I use a ruler, a 1-foot ruler. If I want to measure something bigger than a foot, but smaller than 30 feet, I want to use my what?
yard ruler.
Yes, your yardstick. Very good, Sean. If I want to measure something longer than 3 feet, do you remember?
Measuring
Do you
tape.
remember what I want to use? Measuring. Yes, easy, gentlemen. Measuring tape. Why do I want to use a measuring tape instead of a yardstick? Holy moly! Yeah, a single one of our students knows why we use a measuring tape. You have one at home? You do? Okay. Why do you use a measuring tape if it's longer than 3 feet? Do you want to show me? Help me show the class?
Yeah, basically they have.
Come here.
Basically, they have like.
Hold this. I want all eyes on Lionel.
As well.
If you can.
Wait, can I put my name on it?
Why would we use this instead of a yardstick if we're going to measure something?
Never use it to do a window.
Instead of a yardstick.
Because it's
Where's that? Very good, thank you. Pull out your My Math books, please.
No.
What? What's the first thing we're going to do? Problem solving. Yay! So pull out your math books. You paid $650. All right, you know, you paid $654. $654. problem solving?
No. Yes, you do. It is on page 654. And it's
But I you have not put on your feet while waiting for everybody.
Mine has a point.
Wonderful. 1, 2, eyes on you. Is that how it goes?
No, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me, and then you say, I 3 eyes on you. 2 eyes on me.
1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
1, 2 eyes on you.
Is that how it goes?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
1, 2 eyes on you.
Wonderful. That was cool. Good. Another attention grabber. No, it's already up there. Come on.
A ruler is not. It is 1 foot.
Wow. Let's read the problem together. On your pages, number 8. Who would like to read for me? For Sal. Nice and loud because we have a loud class today. Who heard for Sal? 4 of you. Is that because the rest of you are not paying attention? Darius? Can I get some full body listeners, please? I don't like how all over the place we are. The Sanchez, can you go to the steps of full body listeners?
where should our hands be?
Where should
Our eyes be?
On the
Where should our ears be doing?
listening.
Sal, can you read that? How many inches is in one ruler?
Wow.
12.
Mine is only 6 inches.
So a ruler, so 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Is that correct? Write that in your books. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. You could write it however it is for you. We all have very different handwriting. So, however it works best for you to see it later. So we know how long a ruler is. How many feet long is Sydney's tennis racket? Ruby, 2 feet? How do we know that? Because it's 2 rulers long, that's right. It's 2 rulers long. We know a ruler is 1 foot or 12 inches, so our answer is 2 feet. Pretty easy one, wasn't it? I thought so. Did you guys like that one? All right, 1 more, 2 more. Gabrielle is 2 inches taller than a yard. How many inches tall is Gabrielle? You can read the next one, okay? Gabrielle is 2 inches taller than a yard. A yard. How many inches is a yard?
3 feet.
No showing. How many inches is the yard? Jesse, I. 3 feet. Or how many inches? Angela, was that your hand up? Do you know how many inches is in 3 feet or 1 yard? Oh, okay. Chriselle, 2 inches in 3 feet? I don't know. I think it's more. If 1 foot equals 12 inches, how many inches is 3 feet? Let's do the math. I don't have enough hands up. Okay. Blank equals. Yep. We want to know how much 1 yard is. We know 3 feet equal 3 feet is equal to 12 inches plus 12 inches plus 12 inches. Can we do that? Can we do that mental math? Can we do mental math? 12 plus 12?
12 equals 24.
24 plus 12?
36. 36 plus 2 now.
So 36 inches.
2.
We want to add 2. Good job, Shelly.
30.
What is our answer? Can you show of hands? Oh, yeah. 38 inches. Guys are jamming. Give yourselves a round of applause. That's great. Oh, that was so weak. Okay. Reese, can you read number 10 for me? That is very rude to do to Reese. You're right. Reese, go ahead.
How many yards does
Split.
the snow? It's coming back. I already did. I wish you showed us a picture of the pool.
You wish it showed you a picture? So then you could measure it? I like that strategy, but it doesn't. Unfortunately, we have to use math here. So we know that it's 18 feet wide, right? We know it's 18 feet wide. How many feet are in a yardstick? 3 feet in a yardstick. Okay, so 3 feet equals 1 yard. That's right, little hyphens. So we have 18 feet. How many times does 3 go into 18? Yeah, how many times do we have to skip count 3 to go to 18? You guys want to count with me? Are you going to stop when I stop? I know, you're an amazing mental math, but we're going to walk this one out. All right, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So how many is that? 6? So if 6 yards equals 18 feet, our answer is 6. All right, there we go. Good job, you guys. Miss Angela and I are going to walk through and give you a stamp for your book. And then I'm going to tell you about our outdoor activity today. Yay! Yes. your stamp, close your book. Your book is your stamp. All right. Very good. Thank you. So we did a fun activity with our feet.
I did it on Thursday.
We are going to get in groups and go outside. Fun. The door. I want you to get a writing utensil or your whiteboard to use as a writing surface. I want you to get your foot ruler and your metric ruler. If you don't have a metric ruler at the table, we're doing great. The rulers we made, these, the feet rulers. We have 2 feet rulers. Yes, both of them. And what we're going to do, we're going to go outside. We're going to spend 5 minutes and doing. I don't think we should take such a not noisy class outside. I don't want to. I'm having a really hard time walking to things. Really crazy. So outside right now. I want you guys to make me a promise. If we go outside to do a fun activity, you are all going to behave and listen to your teachers. Can you guys promise me that? Say, I promise. When I go outside, I am going to stay focused. Listen to my teachers. And have fun doing that. All right, thank you guys. I'm going to hand you your sheets. When you get your sheets, you are going to go with the other people sitting at your section of desks in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. You're going to put an item. You're going to measure the item with your foot or your friend's foot, and then you're going to measure that item with your meter ruler. It has the inches on it. Your inches ruler, your feet ruler. What the item is. Do we understand?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to go into 3 areas for 5 minutes each. You guys are going to measure one thing. Once everybody's done, we're going to move on. If you need help, you are in groups and you can stick with your group. Okay? Yes, Miss Sam?
So maybe like I can go find a rock I find in the area where I am, and then I draw it. I measure it with my foot. I measure it with my little ruler. Is that what I do? So maybe something that's at least this big.
Yeah, come on.
Maybe like the slide.
Ooh, the slide would be fun.
What slide?
Or maybe a bench.
Okay.
Or a step. You really can measure whatever you want. A trash can, that's a little yucky. Don't measure that. That's a little dirty.
The ladder.
David. When you go home. Absolutely. Okay, so we are finished with problem solving. We are now doing how big is a foot activity. Okay? We have 15 minutes, and we have 15 minutes to be back into class. We have to come back and talk about it. So, my back row is behaving so well. Could you go ahead and stand up? Make sure that you have everything you need. And both feet. I have your organizer.
Are we going to the blue purple line first, or
We're going to line up on the blue purple line.
Okay.
Yes, you may. Okay, great.
Wait, that's okay.
They get more recesses. Oh, like full recess place.
That's okay. Let's find a friend who's got her foot.
Stay in the shade, guys. Stay in the shade. There's the stump.
6 inches.
This is on the floor. All of our kids have them. So
I mean, I'll take it back. Those are good ones.
Yeah.
Yes, I want you to measure the paper plate here and the long standard here.
Wait, why did we Oh, maybe I'm doing it like I did it.
That's
I did
this.
inches.
So this is your foot, and this is this
I
foot.
measured a leaf and it was 4.
Sure do.
So y'all
are you
for a
measuring
leaf.
the table? Are you measuring the table?
And then how many of your feet was it?
I didn't do feet.
Oh, it used the inches. So you could say 4 inches.
I will measure this shape. I will measure this wall.
Okay, so Jeremiah is measuring the table.
It's about 1 inch. Exactly 1 inch.
So we're measuring it using Jeremiah's feet. It is, what did we say? 3, approximately 3 Jeremiah's feet. So now we got to measure it with a ruler. And we go,
I don't.
1, 2, about 2.5 measured feet. 2.5. Does that make sense? All right, I'm going to go on and check on some other people, see how everybody's doing. Measure one more thing from this area, okay? You think it's about what? You think it's 20 inches? Get your shoe, your foot ruler, and get your inch ruler, and measure it with each one. See how many of your feet long it is. You want to measure how tall it is? All right, let's see. So we've got 12 inches. Hold your finger there. Now put your foot up again.
Okay, this is so tight.
And you'll be more higher.
I only need
A little bit higher. All the way up. There we go. There's 2. And then put your finger there again. Ooh, 2 and like 4 inches. So,
Amy, I can't find it. Who did that?
that's about me. So it's about 2.5 feet.
So now you're on a right. Where's your paper?
0 feet.
Sean, come real quick.
Where's your paper? Is that your paper? So now write on your paper that it's approximately 2 feet in length.
Could you please go and say, Armando, can I be your buddy? Because he doesn't have a buddy over there and he looks confused. Would you please do that for us? Oh, will you just go check and see if they need help?
Are we able to go into the garden?
Not yet. Right now we're staying in all this shaded area.
Yep. And to this, you want to put your name or whose foot are you using? Are you using your foot? So put your name here, and then put how many of your feet the pencil is. How many of your feet the pencil is. So you put here. It is less than 1 of your feet long. It is less than 1 foot long. Lionel, now get your foot for yours.
11.
And now we need to measure it using your foot. Can you do that? Yep, put your name there. Was your pencil 11 of these feet long? We got wheels turning. Yes, sir. No.
How many?
As many as you can do until she says stop.
Oh, it's on the ground, Jeremiah. Get it. Yourself. So you put how many of or whoever's foot it is.
No, I'm recording with it. You can measure my foot or my arm.
You draw and then you write the number. Okay. Who must be good? I'm going to get us all to move to another area. Mrs. Sanchez's class, please come to the pink benches. Red bench. Mrs. Sanchez class to the red bench. Yeah? All right, ducklings. Come on, follow me.
I tried to measure a bracket, it was 10 feet. I measured a bracket, it was 10 feet. I'm going to eat that. I'm going to eat some
Armando. Mrs. V, this was left behind. I don't know who it belongs to.
It's mine.
Oh, okay.
Come on, Jeremiah, you got it. It is a lot of stuff. Okay,
Okay, Santa, are we going to scan something in our
Measure one item with both of your rulers. Elias, just do it on the back of your page. One item with both of your rulers. Write it on your paper. Yes, there is a great over there.
This Santa, this brings back so much memories when I was in kindergarten. We have like caterpillars, and then they will grow.
What is your job right now? Find one thing to measure.
3 measurements on their page. After we're done here. Please do not pick the vegetables.
Miss Sanchez.
Awesome.
Man, it's already boring. My whiteboard is already boring.
I know, we're almost done. It's hot. We gotta hurry.
Are these pumpkins? Wait, you're pumpkin.
No, look, what's that little red fruit? And what are these red fruits? Hey, did you both find something to measure here?
I found something. I found like that thing. Orange.
Okay, find one thing to measure out here with both rulers.
I'm done.
Okay.
I did 4. Hello.
Okay, first question. Real quick. First question. Did you guys have fun? It was so hot today. We definitely felt that heat wave. It was, yes, we may. It was 92 degrees out there. And we were out there for 12 minutes.
You said 5 minutes.
5 minutes each section. So, what happened when we read our book about the king, when he walked to measure the queen to make a bed, but then when they told the person who was making the bed, his feet were different sizes than the king's were. And what happened? They got the wrong bed. The bed was too small. So we just did the same thing. Did any of you notice that your feet were different numbers than your inch ruler? Anybody notice that?
Yeah.
So when you're measuring, do you think it would be easier or harder to measure with something with a measuring tape over a yardstick or a ruler? When we were out there measuring those big items, was it easier or harder for us to use our measuring tape instead of our foot ruler or our feet come out? You didn't use it. Oh man! So do you think it would be easier to measure the bench with this than it was with our feet? Yeah. Would it have been? Could we measure the whiteboard with this? Or should we use the foot ruler or the inch ruler? You want to use the inch ruler? You think it's easier? Here's my inch ruler. I'm going to measure the whiteboard, and you're going to measure the whiteboard, and we're going to see who can measure it faster. Ready? We're experimenting. Are you guys ready? You guys got to quietly whisper cheer us on. We're both going to measure the whiteboard. So the length is from here. The length is from here to here. Can you measure that? It's 90 inches. Can you measure that? 11 feet, but I just measured it with this. It's 90 inches. Which one's going to be more accurate? You think this one? You think that one? What do you guys think? If you think an inch ruler is going to be more accurate, it's number 1. If you think the measuring tape is more accurate, it's number 2. What do you think? 2? Why? Those of you who said 2, why? Curious? The inch ruler, the measuring tape? It is. So when you use a regular ruler, when you use a regular ruler, every time you have to move your ruler, there's a chance to make a mistake. So if you have one really long ruler and you measure it twice with that same ruler, then you know you have a better chance of a more accurate measurement than if you use something that has to move. Oh, you want to call on that? Well, unfortunately, our lesson is over in about 30 seconds. But do you want to help me collect everybody's paper? Instead of calling on somebody? Their math paper we just did outside. And I want you to pick a partner to help pick up the papers. David, and who he chooses is going to come around and pick up your math papers. That is the measuring papers that you just filled out outside. And while he's doing that, you guys can put away your whiteboard. And we're going to get ready to do some science. Yes, you may call that up. It was kind of like science. We did an experiment. That's right, Sean.